How to make a new account in Fortnite PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a new account in Fortnite PC. First, visit epicgames.com/id/register and choose how you would like to sign up. You can either enter an email you have access to or sign up using your console credentials. Then, enter your date of birth and fill out the form. Make sure to check the box to agree to the terms of service, then click Continue. If you would like, you can also check the box to receive news, surveys, and special offers. After that, complete the email verification by entering the security code sent to your inbox. Once done, your Epic Games account will be created. To keep your account secure, enable two-factor authentication for added protection. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.